Hey guys, it's Star. I just wanted to show you guys my wig. I finally finished coloring it, everything the way I wanted it. It's kind of like blonde, lighter blonde on the ends, and then it goes up. It's just different colors. I have like blonde, some like kind of chestnut. I have the black underneath, and then I have the black roots. See that part? But yeah, it came out really good. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it came out way better. This is my first time making a wig for myself, but it came out really, really good, and I'm happy with it. And this is from my Indian hairline, Sophisticated Strands by Star. But yeah, it's Indian wavy, and I bleached this hair. I bleached it twice because the ends I want them really, really, really light like this. So I bleached them twice, and then I bleached it again to get kind of the lighter. See in here, and then I dyed it for the dark roots. Like, it's been through a lot, and it turned out really, really good. It still has like the, like the waves to it, because it was never straight hair. It was the wavy. It wasn't curly, and yeah, I'm really liking it. Closure, and it's only a 4x4 closure, and 2 bundles. Yeah, that's it. 2 bundles and a 4x4 closure. So the closure's not that big. But yeah, so if you want to get hair, hit me up. It's Indian raw hair, like Indian the best. This is hair. I've had it for 3 months now. I got it in August, so I've had it for 3 months, and this is what it looks like. I had it as a sewing. I had it as I had glued it at first. Anyways, this long story. Sorry about that. I'm getting like dressed, getting ready to go out. Not out, like just getting ready to leave the house. But yeah, look at the color. All right, guys. Thanks. See you later. Bye.